Feeling overwhelmed by too much sensitive content on Instagram? You have the power to change that. It's super simple. If you are using your phone, first, open the app and go to Your Profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. If you are using a computer, go to Settings. Then, scroll down a little bit until you find Content Preferences. Click on it, and then tap on Sensitive Content. You'll see three options here: Standard, More, and Less. To see less potentially sensitive content, simply select Less. Congratulations! You should now have a much cleaner and more tailored Explore feed. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick tips.